Hello all, welcome to another session in this course. As part of this session, I'm going to cover the next topic, that is relational operators. In the previous session, I covered the arithmetic operators. Now in this session, I'm going to cover the relational operators for you. So let's begin. So relational operators in JavaScript. Let me type here relational operators in JavaScript language. What are the different relational operators we have in this JavaScript language? Let me list down them one by one, okay? So greater than, less than, then we have equal to, not equal to, strict equal to, strict not equal to. You see, here this is loose equal to, this is strict equal to, okay? In the JavaScript we have two types of equal to operators, okay? This one, two times if you give this equal operator, then it will become loose equal to operator. Okay, this is loose equal to operator, equal to operator. Whereas if you give three equal symbols, then it will become strict, strict equal to operator. Similarly, this is a loose not equal to operator and strict not equal to operator, guys. And apart from this, we also have greater than or equal to operator and less than or equal to operator. Okay, these are the different relational operators we have in the JavaScript. Let me demonstrate all these relational operators for you in the JavaScript one by one. Okay, for that I'll go to this Visual Studio Code, and here I'm going to create a new file, and that is a JavaScript file I'm going to create. I'm going to name this as relational.js. Okay, JavaScript file got created. Now I'm going to write like this. Okay, let a is equal to 9. Let b is equal to 5. Let C is equal to 13. Let D is equal to 5. Okay. Some kind of stuff. Or if you don't want this, that's also fine, guys. Okay. You don't have to create the variables also. Without that also I can cover here. Simply write CLG console.log. Okay. And try to use the operators. For example, if I say 9 greater than 5. Okay. If I say 9 greater than 5. You can also write this way also. That is, let A is equal to 9, let B is equal to 5, and say A greater than B. This is also fine. Okay. So whenever needed, we'll just work on these variables or directly give 9 greater than 5. Anything is fine, guys. Okay. Either this way you can do or directly you can pass 9 and 5 here. That is also fine. Okay. So why to make it indirect? Let me take it directly like this. Console.log 9 greater than 5. You see the result of this relational operators, okay? Conditional expression which is using this relational operator, one of the relational operator greater than or any other relational operator is either true or false, okay? This thing will either result in true or false, okay? If it is correct, it will result in true. If this is incorrect, it will result in false, okay? So 9 greater than 5 is true, okay? If I run this code, what will happen? Let's see, node relational.js. You see, it's resulting in true. Okay, it's working as true. Fine. If I say, when I say 9 greater than 5, it is resulting in true. What if I say console.log, okay, 9 greater than 15? In this case, what will happen? 9 greater than 15. When I say 9 greater than 15, which is not correct, so it should result in false this time, okay? I'll just say clear and then run the previous command node relational.js, and here 9 is not greater than 15, so false should be printed. You see, false got printed. What if I say 9 greater than 9? Here 9 and 9 are equal, right? But if I say 9 greater than 9, what will happen in this case? Though these two values on the left side and right side are equal, but they are not same, hence it will result in false only, okay? Should result in false, guys. Let's run this and see whether it is resulting in false. So this is what is a greater than operator, guys. Now let's go with the less than operator. 9 less than 5, I will say. Okay. 9 less than 5. 9 is less than 5. Okay. 9 less than 5. 9 is less than 5. Correct or incorrect? It's incorrect, right? 9 is not less than 5. So it should print false. Should print false. Sorry, what happened? Okay, it should print false here. That's correct. Okay, you see, this particular thing has resulted in false Boolean value, Boolean literal. Okay, what if I say 9 less than 15, which is correct? 9 is less than 15 is correct. So in this case, if I run this, true should be printed. True should be printed. What if I say 9 less than 9? 9 and 9 are equal, guys, but 9 is not less than 9. They're equal. So in this case also false should come. So let's try this out and see whether false is getting printed. Yes, false is getting printed. So greater than is over, less than is also over. Okay. Two relational operators I completed already. Right? These two I have demonstrated with the proper examples. Now I'm going to demonstrate the lose equal to and lose not equal to. Okay. This is lose equal to and lose not equal to operators. Okay. Let me explain them first. So here lose means it's not strict. Okay. Opposite of strict is lose, right? So here if I say 9 equal to 9, 9 equal to 9, true or false? It is true. Both 9 and 9 are same. So it should result in true. You see, it should result in true. What if I give something like inside the double quotes, I'll give this 9 here. Okay. This is a 9 integer literal. This is a numerical literal, numerical non-decimal literal. Coming to this one, it is a string literal. Though this 9 and 9 are same, but the type of the data or literal type is different here. Numerical literal. This one is, okay, it is numerical, integer literal, whereas this one is string literal. Though the value which is there inside a string literal is same, since it is a lose equal to, it will be okay with that, guys. Okay, it will return true, guys. In this case also it should return true. Okay, here this 9 and 9 are same, but the type of the data are different. Here 9 is integer numerical literal, whereas this 9 is a string literal. Even though the types are different, types of the literals are different, but the values are same. Okay, so lose equal to will not is not strict. Okay, so it will actually consider this as same. This 9 is equal to double quotes 9. It will consider as same and will result in true here. Okay, you see, true got printed. That's what is the thing. But if you use triple equal to, okay, triple equal to, which is a strict equal to operator, in this case what will happen? This 9 and 9 are same, but the type of the literal are different. So this is strict equal to, which will result in false. Okay, you see, false will come. Double equal to, in this thing, double equal to is resulting in true, because which is lose equal to. Triple equal to is resulting in false, which is strict equal to. Okay, so apart from this, if you give 9 equal to 5, which is also false, guys, and 9 is equal to 15, which is also false. Let's see here. Okay, which is false. Okay, and 15 also is false. Okay, as usual, as usual. Okay, but only the lose equal to will compromise. This is a straightforward equal to. 9 is exactly is equal to type. 9 is equal to this 9, not in terms of value, but also in terms of, not in terms of, the number value, but also the type of the data is also same. Okay, type of the data is also same. So it is actually resulting in true. But even though you change the type also, even though you change the type also, okay, type of the data also, even though the value is same, the type of the data also is changed. But since it is a lose equal to operator, still it will return in true. That's what is the main thing that you need to understand. If I go with a strict equal to, where three equal to equal symbols will be there, in that case, it will result in false. Okay, this is what is the main thing that you need to understand. It will result in false in this case. Okay. Only in case of 9 triple equal to 9, it will return true, guys. Okay. The value should be same. The type of the literal also should be same. Then only strict equal will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. In all other cases, it will return false. Okay. Strict equal to also 9 equal to 5 is also false. 9 is equal to 15 is also false in strict equal to operator. You see, false. If I give 15 also, it is false. Okay. Like that. So hope you got the difference between the uh, this strict equal to lose equal to operator and strict equal to operator. Similarly, we have not equal to and strict not equal to, okay, which works in the same way. Okay, I'll just write clear here. I'll just clear this, and then you know I'll write not equal to first. 9 not equal to 15, true or false? 9 not equal to 15, true or false? 9 not equal to 15 is true. Okay, Yes, 9 is not equal to 15 is 100% true, right? It's true. Whereas 9 not equal to 5 is also true. Okay? 9 not equal to 5 is also true. You see? But what if I say 9 not equal to 9? 9 not equal to 9? This is 100% false. 9 not equal to 9 is 100% false, guys. Okay? So let's write it and see. This will come as false. What if I say like this? This is loose not equal to. Okay, this loose not equal to here. The type of the data won't be considered, only the value will be considered. Okay, you should not consider the type of the data, you should consider only the value. 9 not equal to string 9, but here you have to consider it as value 9 only. Okay, 9 and non 9 value 9 is not equal to value 9, like that only you have to compare, but you should not worry about whether it is string literal or whether it is numerical integer literal or whatever it may be. Okay, here it is a lose not equal to operator, similar to lose equal to operator. It is lose not equal to operator where the values only will be considered, the type of the values, okay, or the type of the data won't be considered. Okay, so here 9 not equal to 9 is false, it should be resulting in false here. Okay, that's the reason. Now what if I give 9, okay, not equal to 9? Okay, here is strict not equal to operator, double equal symbol will be there with this exclamatory mark is double, which is strict not equal to operator. In this case, what will happen here? Not only the values, guys, whenever you have this strict equal to or strict not equal to operators, then not only the values, but the type also will be considered. Here, 9 is of integer numerical type, whereas this 9 is string type. So even though the values are same, but the types are different, since they are not equal, since this integer is not equal to the string in terms of type, this will result in true, guys. Okay, this will result in true, right? You see, true got printed. Okay, here type type also will be considered. Okay, if the type is also different, it will be considered as not equal. Okay, fine. So remaining all same, guys, remaining all same. Okay. Only in case of this 9, it will 9 not equal to 9 will become in false. Remaining all cases, it will, you know, if I give 5 or, everything, even including double quotes 9 also, it will result in true. Okay. Only in case of this 9 not equal to 9, it will result in false. Remaining all cases, true only. Okay. Clear, right? So this all about the loose equal to, loose not equal to, strict not equal to operators. And the last two of these are the important things, guys. Okay, these are not there in other programming languages. Okay, in JavaScript we have this kind of strict equal to operator, but if you go to Java or other kind of languages, we don't have this kind of operators. Okay, so in JavaScript, we have this, so we have to focus more on this operator. So, so whenever you're learning multiple languages, we have to understand in one particular language what is kind of unique we need to see and how it is different from the other languages we have seen. We have to consider this particular concept as something unique in JavaScript, okay? In terms of operators. Now the next thing is greater than or equal to and less than or equal to operator as usual, okay? So let me say clear here, greater than or equal to and less than, and here I'll remove this and say greater than. You see here I'll say 9 greater than or equal to 9. Okay, otherwise I'll just write 5 here. 9 greater than or equal to 5. One of this, okay, either greater than or equal to should be okay. If they are satisfying, it will result in true. 9 should be either greater than 5 nor equal to 5. Anything should be fine. So 9, since 9 is greater than 5, it will result in true, guys. Okay, it will result in true. Okay. Now what if I give 15 here? Is 9 greater than 15? No. Is 9 equal to 15? No. Neither 9 is greater than 15 nor 9 is equal to 15. Both are not correct. Hence, results in false. What if I give 9 here? 9 greater than or equal to 9. In this case, what will happen? Either 9 should be greater than 9 or 9 should be equal to 9. One of the condition that is equal is true in this kind of thing. So 9 equal to 9 is true. So hence true will be printed. Okay. True will be the result. Clear, right? Similarly, we can go with the less than or equal to operator also. 9 less than or equal to 5. 9 should be either less than 5 nor equal to 5. Either of these things should be true to become true. Neither is neither less than 5 nor 9 is equal to 5. Okay, so it will result in false. But if I give 15, 9 should be either less than 15 nor either less than 15 or it should be equal to 15. Okay, so since 9 is less than 15, one of the condition is true, so it will result in true. Done. Okay. So next one is 9 less than or equal to 9. What will happen in this case? 9 should be either less than 9, which is false, but 9 is equal to 9 is true. One of the in the relational operator, there are two conditions here. One of the condition in the relational operator is true, so hence it will result in true. Okay. So hope guys you got an idea about all the different types of relational operators we have in the JavaScript. Okay. So we are done with this session, guys. Okay, greater than operator have demonstrated, less than operator, equal to operator which is loose, strict equal to operator which is strict, not equal to operator which is loose, not equal to operator which is strict, greater than or equal to operator, less than or equal to operator. These are the different relational operators we have in the JavaScript. Okay, so in this session, I wanted to cover only the relational operators. In the next session, we'll go with the next type of operators, that is assignment operators. Okay, till then, see you. Bye bye.